In this video, I'll show you the laziest ways to make money online for beginners, which are available worldwide. What are those? We're about to find out. This is the laziest way to make money online. Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. Today, I'll be showing you several apps that you can use to start making decent money right away after watching this video. The best thing is that you don't have to actually do any work yourself, so I'll be showing you both active and passive streams of income. In other words, I'll show you two apps that'll get you paid by literally doing nothing, and an app that will pay you really good money just for watching videos. And that way, you'll be able to maximize your earnings by utilizing both passive and active income streams. Now, right before we go to the first app, let me know in the comments what is your preferred payment method. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I'll release is meant for you. So, drop your preferred payment method in the comments down below. Also, don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that'll allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So, make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into the first app. So, the first app on our list is Screenlift.io. So, how does this app work and how does it get you paid? Well, you can see right away when you come on to their homepage, you first off customize your first screen, personalize your first screen with our many unique features. This is the first app I've seen myself that pays you in such a way, so it's actually quite unique. From there, you'll just use your phone like you normally do and you'll get paid. The amount you get paid depends on how much you use your phone. I can imagine that many of you do so a lot, so earn lifts each time you open your phone and cash out for real money. So you will basically earn these lifts and then you exchange them for real money. It's as simple as that. This is a fantastic app to use and get paid. Now, if you don't want to or don't have the time to invest into it, you just leave it be and use your phone as usual. And it's awesome that by using this app, you get paid for doing something that you normally do anyway on a daily basis. Down here, you have some testimonials that you can read if you want to. In order to see what people are saying about this app, you can also check out the reviews on Google Play as well. And as you can see, it has a 3.7 star rating on here, which is pretty decent. Not anything amazing, but it's not bad either. Now, something that's a bit of a downside with this app is that it doesn't seem to be available for iOS devices as of now. That may change in the future, but for now, you just have the Android version. Now, as far as payment goes, you get paid in PayPal, which I know from my comments that many of you love, so PayPal is definitely available with this app. Okay, the second app on our list that'll pay you in passive income is Slidejoy.com. This app works in an entirely different way compared to the previous one, which is shown right here. It will essentially show you advertisements. Advertisers pay this app in order to reach as many people as they can, and Slidejoy will then give part of that money to people like you. The way it will work on your phone is quite simple. By sliding left, it'll show you information about what is being advertised. By sliding up, it'll show you more ads. And by sliding right, you'll go straight to your home screen. In essence, how much you get paid depends on how often you unlock your phone, because each time you do, you'll view the advertisement. If you use your phone a lot, then this is perfect because that means you'll be unlocking it more often and thus getting paid more often. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and it's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now, you can see from these examples below, your screen will look quite nice. So you won't be spammed with like a million ads with your phone screen looking like an absolute mess. It looks very nice actually. Below this, you can see more testimonials and what people have been saying about this. The fact that they've been featured on CNBC, Business Insider, and other huge companies show you that this is a legit app and they will pay you in real cash. Speaking of payment, just below you can see how you can actually get paid. First and foremost, you have PayPal, the payment option that I think the majority of us will choose. But you can also donate the money that you earn and help out other people as well, which I think is really nice. Just below that, on the bottom page, you can see that this is available on Google Play. Once again, just like with the previous app, there is no iOS version as of now. However, I think they make up for that with very decent reviews they have on here and the sheer amount of it. They have over 100,000 reviews, so this is above all a popular app, and popular apps, simply put, can't be scamming people and still have a rating of 3.7 stars as seen below. With all of that said and done, I want you to keep something in mind. Now, these two apps won't make you rich, so don't expect unrealistic results, because simply put, you aren't doing anything and you're getting paid for free, hence the money you make is not life-changing. And so I have a bonus app for you that will pay you more, but you'll have to do some work. So the bonus app is called s1.wintub.com. The app's name being quite similar to YouTube isn't a coincidence at all. You will get paid right here by watching videos. Now, what I really like about the said videos is the variety. You won't be spammed with the same ads over and over, but they will actually show you different types of videos that literally include movies and TV shows that are quite interesting and fun to watch. Making money with this won't be annoying, as is generally the case with similar apps. Furthermore, the best thing about watching videos is that you don't actually have to watch them. You can just come on here, play one video and do something else, and then just come back, play another video and go off doing something else again. That is why, as some of you already know, watching videos is one of my favorite ways to make money online. Okay, so down here you can see what I was saying a minute ago. Commercial ads, movies, and TV shows online. It's the perfect way to earn money at WinTub. The fact that you don't have only ads to watch is what makes this app quite unique. It makes getting paid a lot more fun. However, as you can see to the right, you don't get paid just by watching videos. Referring your friends can also be an excellent way to get paid if you don't have much time to invest into watching all of these videos. Now, the way you get paid is once again through PayPal primarily, but other options are also available. Here you can check out their partners, and just below that you have the Get Started button, which you want to click in order to sign up to this app. So I'll do so myself, so I can show you exactly how this looks and how much you'll be getting paid. So this is how the app will look like once you log in to your brand new account. As you can see, you get $5 just for signing up, which is really awesome. Just below, you can see the video you have to watch and the amount of money you get paid. This is not a huge amount of money, but it'll quickly add up once you watch some of these videos. And once again, you don't have to watch them per se, just leave them running, turn off the audio while you're doing other things, and then just come back, play the next video, and so on. Moreover, combining this app with the two apps I showed you previously will lead up to adding your profits, which is why I highly recommend you use all three of them to get paid. Remember, this is free and no skills are required at all. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover a new website that pays you $72 per hour, which is one of the best ways to make money online. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comment section below. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time.